Challenge 15. Write a method that takes a 3-member array and determines whether its members are from least to greatest. So we have a method that returns bool and get array int. So return, this is very simple, like last challenge, array index 0 is less or equal to array index 1, and array index 1 is less than array index 2, and test. So console.write line challenge, and so new int array, and so 1, 4 and 10, copy and paste, and 11 or 14, 1, 14 and 10. So this is true and this is false. Run. True and false.